Hello everyone, my name is Zina Abdulkadir, but everyone calls me Z. Today I'll be going over my first week for video vlog number 1 for Information 685, Mercer University, Healthcare Software Requirements for Dr. Williams course. So within my first week discussion, I'll be discussing two topics. The first thing I will be discussing is what is a system analyst and what is a business analyst and what do they do in the health IT environment. And then the second part of my discussion will be I will go over 3 job postings that relate to the field and the role of a system analyst and a business analyst. So basically, a system analyst to me is basically someone in the healthcare field who is a professional who helps build and maintain a structure of information systems. So basically, they would house all the medical information, including patient data, medical records, operation and processing, procedures, databases, and a variety of other programs and applications so they can design the use for the healthcare environment. While on the other hand, a business analyst has a completely different job. Their primary role and responsibility within the healthcare business analyst role is to pinpoint the problems or areas that need improvement within the medical facility in order to help maximize performance and profit within the organization. So basically, the business analyst looks at more how can we fix things, what can we do to make it better, to improve the system, while the system analyst works directly with the system and basically help build and maintain the structure of the system. Then I went on Indeed, which is a job search engine site, and I looked up 3 positions that I found online, and then I'll quickly go over like the organization, job description, qualification and skills, experience, and salary. So the first one I found was with Morneo Chappelle. That's the company name. I think I pronounced that right. So basically, this organization is looking for a 5-year contract. This is a 5-year contract, and they're basically looking for someone who has about 5 to 10 years of experience. They require you to have a few certifications, which include you must have an active security clearance, you must be a U.S. citizen, you must have a certification in Microsoft CE, you must also have a certification as an information assurance technician, and they want you to be a level 2. They also want you to have the CompTIA security and certification. This is a full-time contract for 5 years. The salary is $98,000 to $110,000 a year. You must be required to work in the United States. So basically, the qualifications is and job description is basically that they want you to be able to implement and install new systems, hardware, software, and develop local technical standards, operating procedures that include different branches, working with a sleep clinic, pathology lab, pharmacy, radiology, operating room, or women's health. The computer analyst must be capable of installing, relocating, configuring, modifying, and testing network equipment, which include routers, switches, servers, and be familiar with Cisco and other hardware and software systems as well. The second job offering I found online is with the company Paradise Lagarde. This is for a business system analyst position, and they basically want you, you must have both technical and functional support to business users and vendors. Some of the duties and responsibilities include developing positive relationships between business partners seeking opportunity. You work closely with internal business partners to document and a functional understanding of the business use and application and what processes have been developed. You must work and ensure the issues are identified, ensure all migrated changes follow proper change and protocol processes, effectively managing business partner expectations, and this requires a degree in computer science, have a minimum of 3 years of experience, able to interact on different levels using technology, having good time management skills, strong verbal and written communication. This is a full-time position in the United States, actually here in Atlanta, Georgia, and this is salary is 65,000 to 75,000 a year. And the third job finding I found was with George. The company is COAM, and this is a system analyst position. So this requires any major in a master's degree program. The job is in Little Burn, Georgia. This is a full-time position. The salary is $74,000 a year. You must be able to travel, must have a master's degree in business administration, technical management, computer science, or a related field. So some of the qualifications and job descriptions include preparing required analysis reports, studying the client's location and purpose of suitable area to set up the machines, analyze the current market situation, and prepare promotion plans using central reporting portal. Based on the report, the business analyst is to decide on the particular machine at a location that will be needed. This also says you have to be able to escalate issues to respective departments when required. So yeah, this was a really interesting assignment to do. I really enjoyed doing this. I never knew there were so many job opportunities and market within the local metropolitan Atlanta area. And this gives me great outlook on pursuing this degree and going into fields such as being a system analyst or a business analyst or just working in a healthcare IT environment overall. Thank you.